Sir, good morning, sir.
Good morning. Hello. Only 17 students are there. So shall we start? Hello. Manoj Babu.
Sir, let us start, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning. So today we'll discuss about hypothesis testing. Got it? So already we have covered meaning of research, objective, importance, right? Process of research, types of research, research design, sampling design, also data processing, and also the measurement of scale. Got it? Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So hypothesis testing is the most important part of research, because here we have to test the hypothesis what we have assumed. Got it? Because hypothesis is an assumption, right? This is a statement for which we are doing the research. That means we need to test this statement whether it is acceptable or we have to reject it. Clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So there are two kinds of hypothesis mostly where we want to do our research. One is, the notation is H0. What kind of hypothesis is this one? Null hypothesis. Got it? Null. Null hypothesis. And another one is alternate hypothesis. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Now, also we have discussed little bit about null and alternate. Can anyone explain what is the difference? First, what is the hypothesis? And also the difference between null and alternate? Anyone? Sonalika, madam, are you there? Hello.
Yes, sir. Good morning.
Good morning. Any idea about this null and alternate hypothesis?
No, sir.
No, sir. Anyone else? Padhi Babu, are you there?
Sir, good morning, sir.
Devasis?
Sir, good morning, sir.
Okay, Padhi
Yes, sir.
Babu.
Yes, sir. No, sir. I don't have any idea.
No idea. We have already discussed what is hypothesis, null and alternate.
Sir, hypothesis is an assumption of the statement, sir.
Right.
And to prove that whether the data is true or false, it is within the limit or the statement is wrong. Then we have to go for hypothesis testing. If it is within the range, then it is H0. And if it is beyond the range, then we have to test the hypothesis and find out the correct result.
Okay. Now see, since we are doing quantitative research, so obviously we have to take some parameter related to statistics. What are the parameter in statistics? I think many of you have idea about mean. ये पता है सबको mean? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Mean medium mode.
Mean median mode.
Mean median mode. And you know this symbol? What is this?
Sigma.
Sigma.
Standard deviation.
Yes, very good. Standard deviation, right. So what we have to do actually, we cannot test our hypothesis in word. We have to consider some statistical parameter. Got it? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what we have to do, there is a population parameter and we want to check whether our sample parameter is it aligned with the population parameter or not. That means we have to compare between the population parameter and sample parameter. Are you getting my point? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Population parameter, suppose population mean क्या है already, and we want to test that hypothesis based on mean. Suppose population mean क्या है, हमारा जो सैंपल कलेक्ट हम किए हैं उस मीन को पॉपुलेशन मीन के साथ हम क्या करेंगे, कंपेयर करेंगे. गॉट इट? दैट मीन्स कंपेयरिंग द सैंपल स्टैटिस्टिक्स with the population parameter. Clear? Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now question is, null hypothesis क्या बोलते हैं? Null means there is nothing. Whatever statement, ये एक लाइन कहाँ से आ गया? Hello? Okay. So see, null क्या बोलेगा? Null बोलेगा there is no difference between the two variables because hypothesis is relation between two variables. Clear? Hello? But since we are doing the research, that means we are challenging the null hypothesis and we are in difference of that particular hypothesis, and that hypothesis is our alternate hypothesis. That means different from the null hypothesis. For example, how to claim? The initial claim is suppose H0 null बोलेगा mu is equal to mu naught. This is known as population parameter. Mean का ये population parameter है. Mu is what? This is population mean. Clear? Population mean. Ready? Alternate क्या बोलेगा? HA mu is not equal to mu 0 बोल सकता है, और mu may be greater than mu 0 or mu less than mu 0. I am taking this mu, but in our sample statistics, sample parameter का mean क्या होगा? X bar. So you can also write X bar this one. But generally, since we have defined H0 mu is equal to mu 0, we are writing it as mu is not equal to mu 0, mu greater than mu 0, mu less than mu 0. So there are three different assumptions in alternate hypothesis. For example, suppose, let us take an example that suppose there is a population called, suppose, toothpaste company. Let us take toothpaste company or automobile sector. That the average speeds, let us take automobile sector, the average speed of Hero Honda motorcycle is suppose 120 kilometer per hour. Sorry, ज़्यादा हो जा रहा है. Let us take average speed suppose, or average mileage, let us take average mileage suppose 80 kilometer per hour. Are you getting? Hello? Suppose
Yes, sir.
this is the information we have got from the automobile sector. Hero Honda motorcycle का Hero Honda और Honda और Hero, let us take Hero. Hero बोल रहा है कि the average mileage of Hero motorcycle 80 kilometer per hour. This is a statement. Existing statement is this one. Got it? Now I want to do a research on this particular statement, whether it is true or not. So what I have taken, this is my mu. Average means what? Mu 0 कितना बोल रहा है? 80 kilometer per hour. Are you getting my point? Hello? This is a null hypothesis.
Yes.
Now, alternate is the researcher himself. He assumed that,
Sir, can you explain it once again?
once again, suppose this is a statement of an automobile company, Hero motorcycle, suppose. He is claiming, or there is a statement, existing statement, that the average mileage of Hero motorcycle 80 kilometer per hour. Are you getting this statement?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, one researcher, suppose Devasis, wants to check whether this statement is true or false. But since Devasis, if Devasis is agree with this statement, there is no question about research. Yes or no? Or yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If you are agree with a particular statement or assumption, what is available, then there is no need of research. If you are challenging this statement, then there is a question of research. But you cannot challenge arbitrarily. What you have to do, you have to show, or you have to prove it by conducting survey and using this some statistical technique. You have to prove it, that what you are claiming. Are you getting? Hello?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So this claim, this HA is what? This is known as the existing research hypothesis. HA is what? This is the researcher hypothesis, alternate hypothesis, this one, because he is not agree with the existing statement and he want to start a research on this. So what are the outcome of this alternate hypothesis? Alternate बोलेगा maybe this is not equal to, maybe it is greater than equal to, or maybe it is less than equal to. Are you getting? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So how can we carry out this research? Obviously, we need to collect some sample. Sample means what? How many Hero motorcycles are there in India? Hello? It is in
In
lakh,
crores.
in crores it may be. So
Yes,
this is
sir.
known as the population, got it? So it is very difficult to collect the information from everyone, those who are using Hero motorcycle. Are yes or no? Are you getting?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So the population size is crore, but for sample size, what we have to do according to our convenient, we have to collect the data from, suppose 500 is my sample size. That means what we have to do, we have to collect the information from those who are using Hero motorcycle according to our convenience. That is sampling design. Either you can use probability sampling, that means randomly you can collect, or non-probability means that is convenient to you. That means very easy to collect data. Are you getting? Or those what customer, those who are doing, those who are using Hero motorcycle, from them you will collect the data. So your sample size is 500. Now from this 500 sample data, what we have to do? We have to do our testing, right? If our test, the testing is based on 5 different steps. इसमें न्यू को कैसे जाएंगे? हेलो, are you getting this null hypothesis and alternate hypothesis? Then I will move to another one. Hello, are you getting this?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes. What is null is saying? Null has no difference. That means null is saying that yes, mu 0 is equal to 80 means the mean average, mean mileage average of Hero motorcycle is mu is equal to mu 0. And alternative is claiming there may be 3 different possibility. It may be not equal to, it may be greater than equal to, it may be less than equal to. Clear? This is null. So first step is what in hypothesis testing? We have to set up new को कैसे करेंगे? ओके, तो मैं इसको क्लियर कर देता हूँ. इट्स ओके. हेलो.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what is the first step? The first step of hypothesis testing is step 1, set up. क्या करेंगे? Set up the null and alternate hypothesis. Null and alternate hypothesis. Right?
Sir, कौन लिखा है जी? SCP.
SCT, set up. That means we have to first declare in hypothesis testing, we have to first declare null and alternative hypothesis using the statistical parameter. अगर मीन दिया होगा तो मीन लेंगे, स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन दिया होगा तो स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन लेंगे. आर यू गेटिंग? हेलो.
Yes, sir.
नेक्स्ट क्या है? नाउ सी दिस फिगर. इट लुक लाइक, ये कैसा दिख रहा है? हु कैन से?
Sir, parabolic.
Not parabola. This is called as normally distributed curve और bell shape curve. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? Normally or normal distribution curve or normally distributed curve. That means whatever data we are collecting, got it? If you plot them, it will be look like as a normal distribution curve. Are you getting? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now see. तो मेरा null hypothesis क्या था? H0 is equal to mu is equal to mu 0. I am taking at considering my parameter as mean suppose. And alternate क्या बोल रहा है? Alternate बोल रहा है it may be not equal to, it may be greater than equal to, or it may be less than equal to. That means whatever sample we have collected from different respondents, उसको अगर टेस्ट करेंगे तो ये टोटली नॉट इक्वल टू 80 भी हो सकता है और मे बी 80 से ज्यादा हो सकता है और मे बी
तो चश्मा पिंधु कहीं?
किएगा. Devashish.
Devashish Patti,
Sorry,
sir.
sorry.
It's okay. So ये
Sir,
how-
M is more than 80 or M is
no,
less than
not
80?
M. This is not M. This
Sorry,
is
M0.
mu. इसको क्या
अच्छा।
बोलते हैं? म्यू मतलब दिस इज पॉपुलेशन पैरामीटर ऑफ मीन. पॉपुलेशन पैरामीटर ऑफ मीन को कैसे डिनोट करते हैं? म्यू. सैंपल
Okay, sir.
पैरामीटर मीन को कैसे डिनोट करते हैं? आई थिंक यू ऑल नो दिस. एक्स बार. आर यू गेटिंग?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what is the existing hypothesis? Existing hypothesis or research hypothesis is that the average mileage of Hero motorcycle is 80 kilometer. ये था. Now someone is claiming that I am in doubt that is it true or false. So I will do a research. So what he will do? He will collect the sample from 500 different respondents. Then what are the chances? The chances may be not equal to means ये both हो सकता है. Maybe less than, maybe greater than. Are you getting? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Strictly greater than means the researcher is claiming that no, the average mileage is greater than 80. And strictly less than means the researcher is claiming that it is less than 80. मतलब 80 नहीं हो सकता है. So these are the possibility, but we have to declare any one out of them. I will tell you how can you declare or how can you set up the null hypothesis while solving the problem. Clear? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
Yes.
one
Devashish.
question, sir.
Manoj.
Mu is greater than 80 or mu is less than 80. In both cases, mu is not equal to 80. So why?
Yes. But see, sometimes what happens, researcher is in confused that he has no idea about that it may be greater than हो सकता है, it may be less than. So वो क्या करता है? Not equal to लिख देता है. समझ में आ रहा है?
Okay, sir.
Got it?
Sir.
So how can you test it? So उसके बाद हम क्या करेंगे? एक लेवल ऑफ सिग्निफिकेंस डिफाइन करेंगे और लेंगे. So what do you mean by level of significance? Level of significance. What do you mean by significance? Anybody? What is the English meaning of significance?
Is it worthy to consider?
Consider. So what happened? The researcher always confident that 95% he agree that the statement is true. Are you getting? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Researcher
yes.
consider that 95% knowledge true, confident, but 5% he is in doubt. That's why they are doing. They are not outrightly rejected the null hypothesis at the beginning. Got it? Reject नहीं करते हैं. They are 95% confident or sure that null is true, but 5% के लिए वो क्या करते हैं? They are doing the research. This is known as level of significance, or the notation of this is alpha. Now, why I have drawn this picture? Since the data are normally distributed, this is look like this one. This will start from this and it will go to the peak, then again it will be decline. So inside this 2 bar, are you getting? This part is, suppose 5%, and suppose this part is also 5%. So inside this graph, 90% of the data lies. If both the side will contain 5%, so obviously inside this figure 90% data are present. So question is, इसको क्या बोलते हैं? ये जो 5% मैंने लिया, it looks like what? ये कैसे दिख रहा है? हेलो, ये दोनों साइड कैसे दिख रहा है? हेलो.
Very narrow, very narrow.
So in hypothesis testing इसको क्या बोलते हैं? टेल बोलते हैं. टेल, right? So hypothesis testing is based on tail test. It may be 2 tail test or it may be 1 tail test. Now from this 3 statement, which one is 2 tail test? 2 tail test from this? Who can say? Two tail कौन है? One tail कौन है? Hello? Two tailed means if we are taking the statement not equal to 80. Not equal to 80 मतलब ये left की तरफ भी जा सकता है, right की तरफ भी जा सकता है. Are you getting? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So this kind of test is known as two-tailed test. And if from the beginning we have declared that this is greater than, that means it is one-tailed, or you can say right-tailed test. And this one is left-tailed test. Clear? Hello? So our
Yes, sir.
hypothesis
Yes,
testing, our hypothesis testing is based on three kind of test. It may be two-tailed, अगर दोनों तरफ होगा, or it may be one right-tailed if it is greater than, and it may be left-tailed if it is less than. Clear? That means what is level of significance we have to define in the beginning of the research, in the hypothesis testing. That means mostly level of significance is very small. It may be 5% ले सकते हैं, or it may be 1%. That means we are agree or we are confident that 95% or sometimes 10%, but 10% is very rare. Only hypothesis is testing is based on 5% and 1% level of significance. That means if it is 5%, if we have taken 5% as alpha, that means we are agree that 95% we are confident that null hypothesis is acceptable, but 5% we are in doubt and we are challenging the existing statement, and on that basis we are collecting the sample and testing. Clear? And sometime if the alpha is 1%, that means 99% we are agree with the existing statement, that we are agreeing what? That yes, the average mileage of Hero Honda motorcycle is 80 kilometer, and 1% we are in doubt. For that we are doing the research by collecting the sample and testing the hypothesis. Clear? Hello?
yes, sir.
And with whom we are comparing? With this normally distributed curve. Whatever data we are collecting, if we put them in this graphical mode, it will look like this. But it is like bell-shaped curve. In bell-shaped curve, in both the tail, a very small number of data are there. For example, if you are taking 5%, 5%, it will be this side 5%, this side 5%, and inside the matrix, 90% are there. Clear? So step 1 क्या है? Set up the null hypothesis and alternative hypothesis. Then declare this statement, null and alternative, with the help of statistical parameters, mean. Then declare the level of significance. Is it clear? Hello?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes. So you people are writing, और इसको लिखो थोड़ा है. हेलो, आप लोग लिख रहे हो इसको?
Yes, sir.
The level of significance रे जो 5% हमरो left और right tail रे अछि.
Yes, 5% left light means 2.5 हो जाएगा. अगर
In
10%
this
लोगे
case,
तो
it is 5% each because 90% is the
Yes.
in the middle.
Yes,
So
yes,
in this
हाँ.
case, we have 5% in each tail.
Each tail, right?
So that means we can consider up to 5% in each tail.
Yes, yes, obviously, because we have claimed that 10%. In that time, alpha is 10%. If you are taking 5% each in both the side, that means
Yeah.
alpha is 10%. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
If alpha
Yes,
is
sir.
5%, then both the side will be 2.5, 2.5. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Sir, जदि 10% है तो 5% and 5%.
Both sides, both the tail. But
Okay.
it must be two tail test. Are you getting? If you are taking two tail test, then we have to mention both the sides. But if it is one tail and 5%, then we have to consider. So okay, can I erase this? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Erase कहाँ था इधर?
सर पेंसिल को क्लिक करंतु इरेजर आसे
आइए ये क्या है हाइलाइटर इरेज कर रहे इरेज ଏମିତି କରିବାକୁ ପଡିବ okay see now you see uh, if our test is based on two tail test and I have taken what 10% level of significance both the side 5%, are you getting? Because we have to declare this tailed or two-sided or one-sided test in the beginning of our problem, are you getting? So we can easily know that what you have to take in both the sides. We cannot take two tail, one tail in the same time. Are you getting? So it will be either two tail or one tail. If it is either two tail, my alpha is 5%, then both the tail having 5%. But if it is one tail test and it is left right tail, then the figure will be like this. Are you getting? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And
Yes, sir.
if it is left tail test and alpha is suppose 5%, then we have to consider this one. Clear? So this is my 95% data side and this is also. Are you getting? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now what are the first three steps? First step is set up the null hypothesis, then declare the null and alternate with this parameter. Then how much level of significance you have to take for your research, that is also you have to declare and it is given in the problem 5%, 10%, ये दिया होगा problem में. Clear? Hello?
Yes.
Yes. Now the fourth one is we have to find out the test statistics. What do you mean by test statistics? Test statistics means which technique we have to use. Test statistics. Now for that we have some mathematical formula. Test statistics के अंडर क्या क्या आएगा? Suppose you want to do t test. Suppose it is z test.
Sir, it's a test, statistic or tests.
Sorry,
TE?
TST,
Test, test.
Test statistics.
Okay, yes.
Z test, or it may be. So in your course, I think T test, Z test, and chi-square is available. Chi-square test. There are so many tests. And one more most important, that is ANOVA. Ready? Hello. So one by one we will discuss. And for every test, we have to solve some problems. Now see, T test kahan use hoga? T test is known as also student test. That means why it is student test? So those who are doing SIP, so it is very difficult for them to collect the size of the sample large. So what they will do? They will collect very small sample size and test the hypothesis. So T test is what? When the sample size is less than 30. What do you mean by less than 30? Are you getting? T test का क्या characteristic है? If our sample size is small, that means n less than 30. Are you getting? 30 means if the size of the sample is 30 से कम होगा, then T test is applicable. Clear? Hello? Hello?
Sir, sample
Yes, sir.
size
Yes,
depend করছে or
yes.
sample of percentage?
No, not size. That means the number of
Sir,
observations.
if the total population is 3000
हाँ,
and sample size is less than 30, then it is T test because the
less than,
population
yes.
is
No, see, generally this test is applicable for in a short time period you want to do the research. This is for student. Are you getting?
Yes, sir. But if my sample is 35,
Not 30, sample is 35, then you cannot use this t-test.
sorry, my population is 35 and sample is less than 30, say 28,
Uh-huh.
then also we will name it as t-test.
Obviously, see, population, it cannot be 35. Population is a very large. Are you getting?
Okay, sir.
Uh, Sample size is very small, and sample is, we are trying to represent the population through sample. Clear? Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So see, what is
Yes.
what is the characteristics of different tests I am telling? T-test कब use हो सकता है? When the sample size is less than 30. And when Z-test is used? When the sample size is greater than 30. So we will discuss first on these two tests initially. Then we will go for chi-square and ANOVA. They are something different kind of test. But mostly for student, these two tests is very much useful. Are you getting? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
for t-test, before using t-test, that means because my fourth step is test statistics. Now, as I have told in the beginning, that we are comparing what? The sample parameters with population parameter. Are yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Parameter means what? Parameter means different type of measures in statistics. And what are the different type of measures? It may be mean, it may be median, it may be mode, it may be standard deviation, right? Otherwise, how can we compare it? Because in words, we cannot do the research. We need some mathematical parameter. Are yes or no? So in statistics, the parameters are mostly measures of central tendency, mean, median, mode, measures of dispersion, that is standard deviation, mean deviation, range, just like that. Then correlation, then regression. These are all the different type of measures in statistics. So using these measures, what we have to do? We have to do our test. Clear? Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, what is the fourth step? Test statistics. So before doing the test statistics, we have to collect the data. Collect the information, you can say, because data is already collected, and after collecting the data, all parameters, that means mean, standard deviation, whatever there, we have already evaluated them. So first we have to collect the information. मतलब population mean क्या दिया है? So let us move to another page. न्यू पेज कैसे हो रहा है इधर? नो, डिलीट कर देता हूँ. So can I erase this? Hello.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now see. Again this pen किधर गया? Pen. Yes. Now see. Again this normal curve. You have to plot this normal curve while uh, testing a hypothesis using T and Z. Okay. So what we have discussed, that what is the level of level of significance is the most important thing in what. Suppose let us take 5%, and my uh, test is based on, suppose, two-tail test. Now see, in this figure there are some information. This region is known as acceptance region. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? Acceptance region. Why? Who can say? If you have understood level of significance, then you can easily say this is acceptance region. Means what? Who can say? Hello? If you have understood clearly level of significance, then you can easily say why it is acceptance region.
Because sir, it is within H0, sir.
Yes, because in the beginning, we have said that what? We are agree that we are confident that 95% confidence level क्या है, that we are agree with the null hypothesis. Yes or no? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Only we are disagree with the 5%. That means we are not ready to what consider that 5% there is a doubt. That's why we are doing the research. So in this normal curve, which portion is 90%? Suppose here 2.5, because I have taken what 5% as my alpha. So as both the sides contain 5% of the data, so obviously inside this boundary, how much data are distributed? 90%. Are yes or no? Are yes or no?
95, sir.
Sorry,
Sir,
95.
95, 95%.
Yes, 95. That means we are accepting that 95% we are agree with what the existing statement or with the null hypothesis, and we are disagree with 5%. That's why we are disagree. That's why this is the portion where we can say that this is rejection region. ये क्या है? Rejection region. Now you tell me, suppose it is two tell. I am considering my test is based on two tell. That's why I have taken both the tell. Clear? Hello. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now you tell me, हम किसको लेके हम अभी कहाँ पे हैं? टेस्ट स्टैटिस्टिक्स पर? अरे यस और नो? टेस्ट
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
यस. तो एक छोटा सा फॉर्मूला मैं लिख रहा हूँ. जेट टेस्ट कैसे करते हैं? सपोज जेट टेस्ट इज एक्स बार माइनस म्यू डिवाइडेड बाय सिग्मा बाय रूट एन, उसका मॉडुलस. I hope you know this notation. Do you know what do you mean by modulus? Yes or no? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Modulus
Yes, sir.
means
Yes, sir.
whatever value we will take.
Modulus means positive value.
If it is negative or positive, the result will be always positive. Clear?
Yes, sir.
And in the
Yes, sir.
beginning, I have informed you x bar is what? Sample mean. That means what researcher have collected the data. After then, he has found this sample mean. You know how to find mean. Mean is sum of all observation divided by number of observation. Yes, mean is just average. Clear? Hello.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And mu is the population parameter. Try to understand. This is sample parameter. This is population parameter. Population parameter, what Hero company is claiming that average mileage of the Hero motorcycle is 80 kilometer. This is population parameter. This is what existing. And X bar is what? Whatever we have collected the data from whom? From the respondent. After collecting the data, we have found this X bar by the help of this what? This technique, that sum of all observation divided. What is sigma? Sigma is your standard deviation of population. Are you getting? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes. And what is n? N is the sample size. Clear? Sample size means suppose we have collected the information from 500 respondents. So n is how much? 500. Clear? These are the things you will get from the question. Don't worry about that. All these things will be available in the question. Clear? Hello. Alpha दिया होगा.
Yes, sir.
Mean दिया होगा. Population parameter, sample parameter दिया होगा. But sometimes sample parameter नहीं दिया होगा, तो you have to find out using the formula. Got it? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Now see. Now the question is.
It is Z score, na sir. What you are saying, Z score.
Yes, Z score. मतलब Z statistics. ये जो
We are also calculating Z score. It is
yes,
same.
it is known as Z score also. Yes. Now see. Padhi, now you tell me x bar minus mu. Clear? Hello. Are you there? Or Sonalika?
Sir, sir.
Yes.
Sir.
X bar minus mu. X bar क्या है? This is sample parameter. That means whatever data we have collected, we have found this parameter. Mu is the existing parameter. अगर ये दोनों के बीच 0 आएगा, इसका मतलब क्या? हेलो,
It means it is within the range, sir. It is within the level of confidence.
yes. So यहाँ आएगा, अरे हाँ कि नहीं? Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
अगर if
Yes,
there
sir.
is
Yes,
no
sir. Yes, sir.
if there is no difference between sample parameter and population parameter, then what we will consider? That means whatever research hypothesis exists, that is true. Are yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And if there is a difference, then we have to compare with this calculated value. Test statistics को क्या बोलते हैं? Calculated value. That means we have calculated it using the different parameter. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? Calculated value. Got it? Hello.
Sir.
Yes,
इसको
sir.
इसके साथ कंपेयर करेंगे, उसको बोलते हैं टेबुलेटेड वैल्यू. क्या बोलते हैं? टेबुलेटेड. And tabulated value is there in your, it will be given to you, or we will see from a chart. Already it is available in hypothesis testing chart में, ये available है. तो उसके साथ कंपेयर करेंगे. And how can we compare? We will discuss in detail. But you know what to do in hypothesis testing. First, set up the null hypothesis, then declare the level of significance, then collect the information regarding different parameters like population and sample, then find the test statistics using some formula. Z के लिए ये formula है. Then after getting this value is known as calculated value, and we have to compare this calculated value with this tabulated value from this tabulated chart. Now, tabulated value can be found based on what? Level of significance. Are you getting? Hello. ये कैसे मिलेगा?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
कैसे मिलेगा? We will check through this table. Now, after getting this, what happens? For every level of significance, according to our tell, there is a tabulated value, and that point is known as critical value or critical point. Are you getting? ये जो boundary start हो रहा है, इसको क्या बोलते हैं? Critical value और critical point. ये कहाँ से मिलेगा? वो tabulated value according to our level of significance. ये 2 tail होगा तो accordingly some value will come. If it is 1 tail, accordingly some value will come. Are you getting? Hello. For example, let us take मेरा Z सपोज आया 1.77. ये क्या आया? मेरा CV मतलब क्या? कंप्यूटर और कैलकुलेटेड वैल्यू. क्लियर? हेलो.
Coefficient
Sir.
variation.
Not coefficient value, calculated. That means whatever we have found using this formula from the available parameters. Clear? Not coefficient. Calculated value. Calculated मतलब जो हम calculate करके मिला हमको. Are you getting? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
तो दिस इज नोन एज जेड कैलकुलेट. इसको ऐसे मेंशन करते हैं जेड कैलकुलेट. सपोज 1.77 आया और मेरा लेवल ऑफ सिग्निफिकेंस 5% था, एंड आई हैव डिसाइडेड फ्रॉम द बिगिनिंग दैट दिस इज ट्रू टेल टेस्ट. और ये क्रिटिकल वैल्यू मेरे सपोज आया जेड टेबुलेटेड वैल्यू, सपोज फ्रॉम द टेबल आया सपोज 1.96 आया. आर यू गेटिंग? Now tell me,
Sir.
what is the conclusion? Now compare, because I have told you we have to compare with what? Test statistics or calculated value with the tabulated value according to the level of significance. So इसमें से क्या मिला मुझे? Z calculated is less than Z tabulated. अरे yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So अगर less than हुआ, ये मेरा critical point इधर 1.96 आया. And I have mentioned that this side is known as acceptance region and this side is known as what? Rejection region. And 1.77 is 1.96. So what is my decision on this test?
Null hypothesis is true.
Very good. So ये कहाँ आएगा? 1.77 obviously इस side आएगा. अरे हाँ कि नहीं? Is it crossing the
Yes, sir.
tabulated value and lying in the rejection region? Rejection region में lie कर रहा है मेरा calculated value? No. अरे yes or no? अगर
No, no,
No.
sir.
1.77 1.96 को क्रॉस करके रिजेक्शन रीजन को जाता है, नहीं जाता है? अरे हाँ कि नहीं? अगर जाएगा
Yes, sir.
then we can say that null is rejected. If null is rejected, obviously our hypothesis is accepted. Yes or no? So
Yes.
यहाँ एक दो स्टेटमेंट लिखेंगे आफ्टर गेटिंग द टेस्ट स्टैटिस्टिक्स वैल्यू। क्या लिखेंगे? वेरी सिंपल, there are two statements. The statements are, write down if you want to write. Pen. Yes. If calculated value is less than tabulated value, Devashish, this is calculated, not coefficient. If calculated value is less than tabulated value, then null is accepted. हम किसके ऊपर रिसर्च कर रहे हैं? नॉल हाइपोथेसिस के ऊपर। आर यू गेटिंग? हेलो, नॉल इज
Yes, sir.
एक्सेप्टेड। अगर नॉल एक्सेप्ट हो गया तो ऑटोमेटिकली ऑल्टरनेट इज द ऑपोजिट फ्रॉम नॉल। ऑल्टरनेट क्या हो जाएगा? रिजेक्ट हो जाएगा। अरे यस और नो?
Yes, sir.
If this is the condition, another one is what? Number 2, if calculated value crossing the tabulated value or critical value, then null is rejected. Clear? अगर null reject हो जाता है तो what we have claimed in the beginning of the research that our hypothesis is accepted. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Now after this, ये कौन सा स्टेप था? फर्स्ट स्टेप सेटअप, सेकेंड स्टेप डिक्लेयर द स्टेटमेंट विद द पैरामीटर, दैट मीन्स H0 and HA क्या है। थर्ड स्टेप set up the level of significance, LOS. Fourth one is collect the information, that means mu, x bar, sigma, n क्या है। Fifth step, calculate the test statistics. Test statistics, it may be Z, it may be chi-square, it may be T. Sixth step, compare this CV with what? TV. And seventh step is decision or interpretation. Are you getting? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So what are the different steps? Different step is, from the beginning we have to declare the null and alternate hypothesis. Second step is again declare the null hypothesis with different parameters, or tailed you can say, whether it is two-tailed or one-tailed test. Third is declare the level of significance. What do you mean by level of significance? That means if it is 5%, then we are confident that 95, suppose high level alpha, suppose 5%, that we are confident that 95% we are confident with the null. For the 5% level of significance, we are doing the research. Fourth one is what? Collect different parameter, population parameter and sample parameter like mu, x bar, sigma, n. Fifth one is calculate the test statistics, that is calculated value. Then after then compare this calculated value with the tabulated value. Calculated value we have computed using different parameters. Tabulated value is given based on level of significance and also tailed. Clear? And we will collect this from the normal chart. T के लिए एक चार्ट होता है, Z के लिए भी होता है, हर टेस्ट के लिए एक एक चार्ट होता है. So we will compare, we will collect tabulated value from that chart and we will compare with our CV. After that, we have to compare this, whether CV is less than TV or CV is greater than TV. If CV less than TV, it will be lies in where? in our acceptance region, so null is accepted. If null is accepted, simultaneously alternate is rejected. If CV greater than TV, that means CV is crossing the boundary of critical point or that boundary alpha value. So it will lie in where? In the rejection part. If it is reject, null is reject. If null reject, simultaneously alternate is accept. Clear? Hello.
Yes, sir, clear.
Yes, sir.
So
Clear.
this is all about theory of the hypothesis testing. Now, based on this hypothesis testing, we will solve some problem from t-test, z-test, chi-square, and ANOVA. So in the evening also I have a class. That's why I have kept it morning and evening so that it is easy for you to understand. Otherwise, you will forget. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
क्लास 2 क्लास एक दिन में होगा तो ये समझ में आएगा थोड़ा.
जी सर.
Yes,
So
sir.
anything else you can ask. शांतनु बाबू ଆପଣ ଅଛନ୍ତି? संगीता श्रीचंद्र
आगे सर अच्छो
ଅଛନ୍ତି ତ?
आगे
So see, remember, you will get a problem from where? From this hypothesis testing in your exam. Also, theory, null क्या है, alternate क्या है, level of significance क्या है, ये सब पूछेंगे. Clear? Critical region क्या है, acceptance region क्या है.
जी
So you have to write accordingly in your exam. Got it?
यस सर
Yes sir.
And sometime you will also get write down the different steps of hypothesis testing and explain clearly. 8 marks. 5 marks में क्या आएगा? Level of significance क्या है? Confidence level क्या है? ठीक है? Okay.
ओके ओके सर
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is all about. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Again we will
Sir.
meet. Again we will meet today evening at 7 p.m.
Yes sir.
Right. So
Yes,
from
Yes.
here we will start. Either we will start a Z test problem or we will start a T test problem. Clear?
Yes, sir.
And you come with the calculator, right?
Okay sir.
Yes, sir.
So that we will calculate the calculated value by the help of calculator. Okay, Padhi Babu, ठीक है? Are you there or not? Uttam Kumar, Manas,
Yes, sir.
Sugati Parida.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Have a good day, sir.
Thank you. Thank you,
Thank you sir.